This video will show you how to install brand new garage opener. Because I searched the search web, there's the majority of the videos are replacing an existing garage opener. This is show you how to install a brand new garage opener in a brand new garage. About this garage opener, Chamberlain B750C with rubber belt, which is less noise. Is Wi-Fi, which you have two remote control. One control on the door, another control on the wall. And with Wi-Fi, so you can operate your garage opener anywhere through your mobile phone. What you need to buy is this angle, slotted angle. One on the top is 3 feet, two vertical 4 feet. The two diagonal is already included in the package, so you don't need to buy that one. The stud in the ceiling is 2 feet away, so you need 2 latch screw. 5/16 2 latch screw. And in this bracket, you need 2 galvanized carriage bolts. You don't need washer, you just need the carriage bolt and the nut. You need galvanized, that is rust proof. And first you need to install this horizontal 2x4. How to decide the height? You open the door to the highest point, and then use a level to decide to match a mark of the highest point of the garage door when it opened. And make another mark 2 inches above the original mark. And the bottom of this bracket, match the line. And then you assemble this rail. You need you better with a glove to protect your hand. And the rest assembly is pretty straightforward. About the location of this truss. At first I made the mistake. I align this truss with the original truss for the garage door. This truss, I make mistake. And finally I realized it's too short. You need measure from the garage door opener, from the middle hole to the 2x4. You measure the distance, precise distance, and then you decide where to install the horizontal slotted angle, the location you decided. For the height of this railing, you open the garage door, fully opened, and put a 2x4 on top of it. And the rest sets the railing on the top of the 2x4. That's the height. Decide the height of this garage opener. Here is the 5/16 carriage bolt. And here you need a 3 slotted angle. also galvanized. On the top, 3 feet. The 2 vertical one is 4 feet. I use the angle grinder to cut 1 or 2 inch to make it fit. And you also need 5/16 bolts, washer and nuts to assemble this truss. About the bulb, you cannot use LED bulb because it will interfere with the remote control. You need a regular bulb or a fluorescent bulb. How to remove the original lock? You need to remove the rope here. You need to remove the latch here. For me, it's difficult to remove the latch. Is the screw? I cannot remove. It may be processed. I use an angle grinder to remove the latch. So you need the galvanized carriage bolt here. You need to buy for this wood garage door, particularly for this wood garage door. This 2 lag screw is already included in the package. And here you need to buy 2 lag screw for the ceiling and 6 5/16 screw, nut, and washer to assemble this truss.